This is Chapter 5, Part 2. A patient is to receive 60 milliliters of medication. How many ounces will the patient receive? Okay, so I need a relationship between milliliters and ounces. So 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. So that's what we're going to use, ounces to milliliters right here. So start off with what we're given, 60 milliliters over 1 times, I know I want milliliters in the bottom, so they cancel, and I want ounces in the top. Now what this said is 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, so 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Milliliters cancel. Okay, multiply straight across, and you get 60 over 30 ounces, which is exactly 2 ounces. Okay, let's go to 5-6. A medication cup contains 22.5 milliliters of a solution. How many tablespoons are in the medication cup? Okay, so I want to take 2.25 milliliters, and I want to convert it to tablespoons. So I'm going to look for a relationship between milliliters and tablespoons. 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 15 milliliters. So this is the one I'm going to use, 1 to 15. So if I take 22.5 milliliters, put that over 1, times, I want milliliters in the bottom, and our relationship was 15 milliliters to 1 tablespoon. Okay. Milliliters cancel. I get 22.5 divided by 15 tablespoons. Let's clear this. 22.5 divided by 15 is 1.5. So this is 1.5 tablespoons. And don't ask me why I went to pink there. It was an accident. Okay. Okay. All right, 5-7. Jennifer weighs 115 pounds, 8 ounces. What is her weight in kilograms? Okay, so the only relationship I have with kilograms is 2.2 pounds. Okay, so what I want to do is I've got a relationship between pounds and ounces here, correct? All right, how many pounds are in an ounce? How many pounds are in an ounce? There are 16 pounds. No, I've got that backwards. 8 pounds. I'm getting this wrong. 16 ounces to 1 pound. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Now, like the problem we had before, this is 115 pounds plus 8 ounces. Our relationship here is between pounds and kilograms. I'd rather not go to ounces than go back. So what I'm going to do is take this part right here and change it to pounds. If this is our relationship, which we should know from a previous chapter and should be able to write down better than I just did, okay, 8 ounces over 1 times 16 ounces in 1 pound. The ounces cancel, so I get 8 over 16 pounds, which is 1/2, which is 0.5. Okay, now like what we said in the previous problem, it was this plus this. So 115 pounds, 8 ounces. Is equivalent to 115.5 pounds. Okay, so now let's take this and convert it to kilograms. So 115.5 pounds over 1 times there are 2.2 pounds in a kilogram. I'm trying to cancel out pounds. So 2.2 goes in the bottom. Over, and that is 1 kilogram. So what I end up with is 115.5 divided by 2.2 kilograms. And that's because these cancel. And if I take 115.5 and divide that by 2.2, I get 52.5 kilograms. Now, I don't want it to mess you up. It's just a quirk of the household system that when we have a relationship that ounces as a volume, where ounces is equivalent to a cup. And then we also have ounces as a measure of weight. So it's important to recognize from the context of the problem whether you're talking about a volume or if you're talking about a weight. That's how you're going to know which conversion from ounces to use. Okay, so 5.8. An infant weighs 6 kilograms. What is the infant's weight measured in pounds and ounces? Okay, so I want to take 6 kilograms and I want to end up in pounds and ounces. Now, what I have for weight goes from kilograms to pounds. Okay, so first step is I want to convert this into pounds. So 6 kilograms over 1 is equal to, the relationship is 2.2 pounds for every 1 kilogram. Kilograms cancel. Okay, and then when I multiply 6 times 2.2, I get 13.2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to convert 13.2 pounds into ounces. And that way I can just figure out, well, actually what I could do is I could take this extra 0.2 because I'll have 13 pounds and this is how many ounces. This right here, this 0.2 pounds should equal the number of ounces. So I had 13 pounds and that 0.2 is basically what I had left over. So that's the part we're going to convert into ounces. Okay, because I don't want to go there, sorry. So let's take 0.2 pounds and I want to convert this into ounces. Now this is a weight, so we use the 16 ounces is 1 pound. That should be times, sorry. 16 ounces into 1 pound. So that pounds cancels out and I end up with 0.2 times 16, which gives me 3.2. So an absolute perfect answer would be 13 pounds, 3.2 ounces. But they're going to ask you to round that. They don't give fractional ounces. And now since this is a 2, we're going to keep this a 3. So the answer they're going to be looking for is 13 pounds, 3 ounces. And this should be approximately equal to. Okay, one more. A tumor has a diameter of 2 inches. What is the diameter of the tumor measured in millimeters, sorry. Now length, we have centimeters to inches. Okay, we have inches, and we have a way to convert this into centimeters. And then centimeters, we have a way to turn that into millimeters. Okay, so this is our goal. This is our plan. I'm going to take 2 inches and put it over 1 times 2.5 centimeters over 1 inch. Inches cancel, 2 times 2.5 would be 5 centimeters. Okay, now the relationship between centimeters and millimeters is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, so 5 centimeters over 1 times 1 centimeter is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Centimeters cancel. 5 times 10 would be 50 millimeters. And that would be our answer. This is the end of chapter 5.